Welcome everyone, welcome, and let's start our YogoJo Yoga for Kids class. Today we're going to do high in the sky, but this time it will not be birds and any other living creatures. There will be some flying things. Like machines, yes. So
flying thing.
We'll do a helicopter, a plane.
Oh, a rocket!
And a rocket, exactly. Good. So are you ready for that, boys?
I'm a flying thing.
Good. So let's start our engines first, okay? So we'll breathe in through your nose, and then you'll breathe out, and you'll do the engine noise. Okay? So let's breathe together. In through your nose, and breathe out through your mouth.
I know how to do like a really good broken engine.
Yeah, do that, but do that when you exhaling, okay? So let's do that 2 more times.
Loads up.
Breathe in through your nose, and out, do the engine. Cool, really well done. So now let's do the helicopter. Put your hands on your shoulders, and now imagine that your helicopter is just starting. So keep your elbows close to your body and just spin from side to side, from side to side. Nice straight back, and don't forget to breathe, okay? So inhale when you turn to your right and exhale when you turn to your left. You can do that faster. Or you can do one breath for every 2 movements. Okay, are you ready? Is your blades warmed up now? Okay, so spread your blades now and do a big helicopter. And now you're cruising above the land. And now straight hands. Have you seen a helicopter with wonky blades, Freddie?
Ooh, yeah.
Helicopter. Let's have a little rest and get back to flying up, because we need to turn our engine down first before we land. So spread your wings, spread your blades, and turn from left to right. Nice. Now bring your blades and prepare to your shoulders and prepare to landing. So now just little movements from right to left, to left. And now stop. Bring your blades to the front, and we're landing. And put your head between your blades as well, and see if you can touch the floor.
I can.
Well done. Good. So now will be time for a plane. Okay?
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah? So let's stand up, boys. Or shall I say little helicopters? Hey, Freddie, little helicopter.
Shall I say my fellow squadron?
Oh, my fellow squadron. Good. So stand on your right foot and bring your left foot slightly to the back. Put your hands in a T shape, and my little planes, start getting ready to take off. Bend forward and lift your back leg. Yay! We are planes. We are cruising through the sky. We're flying through any challenges. And lift your left leg up. And nice balance. Brilliant. Now put your left leg back on the floor. Have a nice deep breath in.
And now we land.
And out. And now we need to do it on the other side, because the planes do that, don't they?
Because then the wheels will get broken.
Yeah. So lean to your left leg. Put your right leg gently to the back. Put your hands into T shape. And now bend forward and lift your right leg up. And we're cruising through the sky. We're flying over Europe. We're flying over America. We're flying over China and Australia. And we're not feared of any challenges. Brilliant.
And let's go. Woo!
Good. So I think you're ready
Seas of South America.
for the last flying machine. And you know what? We're going to scale up. We're going to do a rocket. Okay? So to do a rocket, we start in a yogic pose called chair pose. So imagine behind you there is an invisible chair.
And rocket.
Yeah. Don't try to sit down. Just imagine you're sitting down, because if you really sit down, that's it. So don't sit down. Just imagine that you're trying that chair with your bum, okay? So put it nice. You never do a rocket if you're doing like that, really. So your legs nice and bend, and your knees like on the toilet, like you were trying to sit on the toilet, but don't touch the toilet.
I call this the toilet pose.
Okay, lift your hands up. Lift your hands up, and now we're going to final countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Well done. Shall we do that again?
Yeah. I had the moon.
Wow, we may even get to the moon.
I'm going to show you some moons.
So let's do a sit on our invisible chair. Nice and comfortable, yes. We poke our bones to the back and we lift our hands up, and we don't forget to breathe, and we don't forget to smile, because it's only yoga, guys. Okay? And now we count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Well done. Now my helicopters, planes and rockets. It's time to calm down. So let's lie down into our shavasana. Spread your hands.
Can also be called dead corpse pose.
Yes, because we're surrendering and we're just relaxing. We're breathing and we try not to think about anything. And I hope you really enjoyed our adventures in the sky today, and that you will be able to practice that at home. So see you guys soon. Remember, Hatha for happy families. Bye!
You've been watching YogoJo, Hatha for happy families.
Yay!
Yay! Join us by hitting the like button,
The subscribe button, and click on the post notifications bell down below.